Hello dear all students, welcome back again to our HTML form class. Now we're gonna discuss about checkbox. So let's activate the checkbox code that I have prepared before, which are here. Just select all those code and control / it will be activated. Right, so here as you can see, input type checkbox, the bit difference, look at the difference. It's not too much different. The previous class previous lesson I have shown you, I've told you that radio to create radio button you just need to type input type radio. Now here I'm creating checkbox, so I need to write down input type checkbox. That's all it is, and most of the other things are almost same. So input type checkbox, ID vehicle1, name vehicle1, value bike. So by clicking this checkbox I'm actually taking the value bike. And label, I know you I believe you already know why the label is for. So it's just for the connecting with this text with this checkbox. That's all it is. So the second one is for car, and the third one is for boat. So it's the same code, input type checkbox, nothing complicated. ID vehicle 3, name vehicle 3, value boat. Just to let you know, you will know in advance, in further in our advanced lessons class, that why the name actually using in a form. Name actually using because of whatever we will gonna put in a name, like vehicle 3, it will be actually server value to you. This value need to be used in a server, so I can straight away use this name value to process into the server. You will learn it later in our further class, in our another class, where I will teach about those stuff on our advanced lessons. Let me show you how does it looks like into the browser after we have written this code for checkbox. It's here. So refresh it, it looks it's here. So the difference between radio button and checkbox, you can only select one radio button, not more than one. But for the checkbox you can select all of it. But look here, you can't select all of it, of the radio button. It just allow you to select one only. And the checkbox, you can select everything. So it depends on the developer, how does he want to manipulate, and then they can decide whether they will use you will use the checkbox or you will use the radio button. It will depends on the nature of the form, on the nature of the service. So I hope you understood. Thank you very much for your time.